I am suffering from the kidney disease. One of my relative has advised to stop me all the protein-rich food like pulses, grain, egg, meat, chicken. This is very common misconception we hear from the patient. See, the proteins are direct source of uremic waste product in the body, but at the same time they are very important to maintain the health. They are very important for the tissue repair and the maintenance of the body. So the protein restriction rather than avoidance of the protein is recommended for the kidney disease patient. In a normal person, we recommend to take the protein intake of at least 1 gram per kg per body weight. But in the patient with the kidney patient, we restrict the protein intake to less than 0.8 gram per kg per body weight. This recommendation is only for the patient who are not on dialysis. Once the patient is on dialysis, we insist them to increase the protein intake to 1.2 gram per kg of the body weight. That is very important step because majority of the patient who are previously on protein restriction, if they keep on following the protein restriction once they are on dialysis, it is harmful for them. Severe protein restriction is avoided because it produces the malnutrition and it affects the head badly. We recommend our patient to avoid non-veg based protein like meat, chicken, fish, some of the milk protein like butter, paneer, cheese. Some of the non-vegetarian protein like egg can be taken in a reduced amount. Though it is always recommended to continue the vegetarian protein like pulses and whole grain as per regular amount.